Goodenough College is located in Bloomsbury, which is sort of in between King's Cross and Russell Square to the north and the south. And it's in central London, so it's near the university campuses, which makes it a convenient location for students. I shop at Waitrose for my food, which is convenient because it's the largest, closest grocery store. It's a 5-minute walk away. And maybe I'll run through neighborhoods that I wouldn't run through otherwise. So it's nice, you just see more of the city. It sort of expands.
Yeah.
I think mostly I feel like I've had a very, very privileged experience of living in the UK and living in London. And I know that my experience is not representative of many people who come here from overseas.
Being in London, generally, enables me to be the highest version of myself. When I think of my tattoo, which I will presumably have for the rest of my life, I will always remember this time period. So I have a very positive association between my tattoo and this time period at Goodenough. I find myself living among particularly intelligent, motivated, ambitious, driven students, and that being in this environment, which I'll call a bubble, it's a bubble of intellectual stimulation. So I myself am motivated by it.
The good things about living in Goodenough College, it's a walkable distance to Oxford Street, which is like shopping, like whenever you have time and money. To other international friends as well, which is the, I guess, the most interesting thing about London, because you meet a lot of people and you meet people from everywhere, which is amazing, yeah. I don't know, it's just quite exclusive, and I don't like being exclusive, and I don't like living in an exclusive place. But as I said, it's a trade-off. Because if you live only in Goodenough, you wouldn't understand the dynamics of London and how things happen around the city and the cultural diversity.
I think if I didn't live here, my community would be more expansive and less defined by geography, actually, because I would probably make stronger connections with people who lived in various parts of London.